Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a fortune cookie. So to start off with our fortune cookie, I'm going to start right here in the middle of my paper, and I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of goes up and then down, kind of like a little hook. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down with a curve, and that's just going to kind of curve out like this. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up like this, a little bit curved. And then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and I'm going to get really, really close to that little hook line that I drew. And then I'm just going to continue the line, and I'm going to let it kind of curve down, and I'm going to stop it right about there. Then starting right here, I'm going to curve this, and I'm just going to leave a little bit of space right there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that is just going to curve up, and I'm going to run this right into the line like that. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here. And then I'm just going to connect them like this for the little piece of paper inside. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little bit of a broken line right there for a little bit of detail. And I'm going to put one more line right there for a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fortune cookie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.